Integrating System.io with WordPress allows you to use System.io's powerful funnel and email automation features while maintaining your WordPress website. Here's how to set it up. Create a System.io account. Sign up at System.io if you haven't already and log into your dashboard. Install the System.io WordPress plugin. On your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search for the System.io plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Connect WordPress with System.io. After activating the plugin, go to System.io settings in your WordPress dashboard. You will need to enter your System.io API key. To find this, log into System.io, go to Settings, Integrations, and copy the API key. Paste the API key into the plugin settings in WordPress and click Save. Use System.io features on WordPress. Once integrated, you can embed your System.io opt-in forms, landing pages, and funnels directly into your WordPress site. You can use shortcodes or the provided embed code to display forms and funnels. Automate marketing. Use System.io's automation features to trigger actions on your WordPress site, such as sending follow-up emails or adding users to your funnels.